Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to change Google Chrome language, like sometimes you are using European language like Danish, Italian, German or other languages, and you are not understand this language but you understand as a English. So how to go back on English language in your Google Chrome or Gmail account. So what exactly process? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So first of all, you open here your Gmail address. So here is my Gmail address and here is my pictures of this particular Gmail address, and here manage your account Google setting. You just simply click here, manage your account Google setting, and here several tabs are there: home, personal information, data privacy, security, people and sharing. So second tab is display here, personal information, and scroll down here, your personal information related informations are displayed. General preferences for web tab. So here languages menu are available. You just simply click here, and if here in other language like here in Danish or Hindi language is this, delete this language and you click here in this like a pencil pen. So suppose for example I selected here in United States of English, so I just convert as a English UK. So I select here English. First of all I select here English, and then after I selecting the like a Great Britain means UK, so I scroll down again. So here is United Kingdom is there. I just simply click here in United Kingdom and select. So here is United Kingdom and English language is automatically changed, and wherever I am using this Gmail account, so automatically my language is default English United Kingdom. It's quite simple to change your Gmail address, language as well as Google Chrome language, and access which language you are comfortable. It's quite simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.